This is how I brush my cat. It's hilarious. Come here, PJ. Okay, he knows it's coming. Okay, buddy boy. She's just kind of gets in it. I already got some of it right there because he sheds really, really bad. Okay, now watch. I'll put the brush down. Come on, Peach. Up. She wants it. Come on. Up. Come on. Gosh darn it, why won't you do it? Oh, El Pablo's, the Versachos. She's like, you are not. I just brushed her mange, her tail, and she basically bit my finger. She clawed me. I just, no, babies. Trim their nails. Okay. Come here, PJ. Quit bitching. Up. Come on. Now do it. Come on. No brushing. I brushed Sissy. No brushing for you. No. Come on, Peach. No. Maybe if I stand up. Okay, now watch. Up. Come on. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, you're so vocal, baby. Okay. No. Come on. She'll nip at him. Come on. Up. Now, we're not going to lick our coin purse, okay? Come on. Get up. 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 Come on, boy. Come on. Up. Up. Show him what you do. Come on, PJ. You're so damn cool. Don't you are? Oh, I love you. Now give me a little bit. Yes, that feels so good, doesn't it, baby? Here, come here. Come here. PJ. Come on. Mama love you. You're not getting the brush until you do tricks. You do tricks with everybody else. But every time I put you on video, you won't do it. It's like you know it. Come here. Oh, yes. Yes, that feels so good. I just cleaned out his booties and I brushed his teeth and his eye boogers. And Hope, she's a hopeless Hope. Brushing her tail, it was horrible. It's actually from her tail because she's a Maine Coon. He actually sheds more than she does. PJ does. What are you doing, Beater Chop? Oh, what are you doing? She's like, I'm gonna get his tail. My crazy kitty cats. This carpet is so ruined when we move from just everything. We talked to our landlord about it. They're just gonna go ahead and redo it and lay new carpet, and like the ceiling up above there from it raining, it's really bad. So I cannot wait to get out of here. Pretty much everything is into shape. We just have to rent one of those dumpsters. It probably is going to take a little longer than what I thought, Dad, but we'll be out of here soon. Can't wait. Okay, here he goes. He's going to do it. PJ. Peach. Mama love you. Yes, I do. You're so beautiful, boy. Yes, you are. You're so... Oh, what do we got there? I set up a toy thing for them. Hope. Oh, no. Yes, I know. Tell me all about it. Stick your butt in my face. Tell me all about it. Go to your toy. It's so funny. Watch her. Oh, you guys. Hey, nice. Hope Alexandria Krill. I just brushed you too. Every time I brush them and they get all wound up. You know what I'm saying? They get all wound up. And he's all relaxed and she's like, Okay, I'm pissed off. Mama just brushed me. I'm gonna take it out on brother. You guys! Hope, knock that crap up. You bad. Come here, Peacher. He's a victim here, aren't you? Cannot wait to get the hell out of here. Well, pretty much, yeah, I got everything out of this brush. I need a cat whisper. You okay, Peach? Huh? You okay? It's alright. Mama love you. Peacher, what is that? This is what I ask him all the time. PJ, where's Jesus? I know I'm crazy, right? And he actually answers back and he'll go, Hope, you's a bad girl. Yes, you are. Isn't she adorable, though? Oh, I just can't help it. Even though she's naughty, I just love her so much. Yeah. Chloe was up all night playing video games, so here he comes. No school shopping today. I'm extremely, extremely bored. I thought about reading, and writing a poem, but I'm just like, nah, I'm over that. Well, I love you. Say goodbye. Oh, come here. He hates this. Hammer time. Can't touch this. It's a long story. I sing that crap to him, too. El Pablos.